As you can see, from the start it showed that this is a true BMW, and this is not the only oil leak. This is my S60 in BMW Austin yellow fresh paint. As soon as the paint job was done, this car followed the trend and also started leaking oil. The seals here are gone, we need to change that. Back, I think it's okay. Now I need to find out which one is cylinder 2. This should be cylinder 1 and this is cylinder 2. This one is misfiring. It's a different one. I think this one is the new one, but this one is Beru, and this one is NGK. No. Let's see the. Yes. Looks like it's burned. I don't think this is okay. This one is Bremi, Germany. This does not look good. Cabin filter. This is so bad. This I don't need this. Okay, we can take out the coil number 4. It's cold and it hurts. What the hell? This is not good. So I went to the shop and bought a 16mm spark plug key, and yeah, this tool is broken. Okay, let's try. Will it fit? No, it will not. Okay, this is the spark plug number 1. There's some goo here. This is the spark plug number 2. This one looks better. NGK like the one before, and I don't know what this is. Maybe this goo here was the problem. It looks like cream, hand cream. And yes, this is the cylinder number 3. It looks okay, but I'm gonna replace them with brand new spark plugs, and I think I will buy a brand new coils. This is the spark plug number 4. Actually, number 1 was the worst. All 4 spark plugs, and number 1 is the blackest of them all. This one actually, it has a bit more yellow here. Oh well, I'll buy new ones. And now we're gonna clean the coils. I use Q-tips. This is alcohol. I don't know what the hell this is. I'm not a mechanic, I'm a hobbyist, and this is the first time ever doing this. Fresh side. You can use alcohol, you can use petrol. Here's the dirt. This is the misfiring one. For now, I'm gonna try to clean them, put them back in, and try to start the car, drive it a bit. Will the misfire error continue showing up? I'm not going to put them in the same order to know if this coil really is damaged. And the last one, for returning spark plugs, I will clean them. This is the one that had some sludgy thing. I'm gonna clean it with alcohol. And this is the part that we do not touch anymore when cleaned. All of this. I think I will need to use some tape here. I saw people having problems putting the spark plugs in, then getting the tool out. So I'm gonna try it with tape. So new tape. So do not overdo it. Let's see, what codes do we have now? There are no codes. Read codes. Okay. BMW. The fault code is not found in the database. P101B. But there are no other codes. For now it's working okay, but the problems come when engine is on the working temperature, so we will wait a few minutes to see how it goes later. It's working, it's not in the idle temperature, but something is not quite right, as you can hear. Read the code. By the way, this is a very cheap tool. It costs about $25. This is the moment my camera battery died, but the diagnostic tool told me that the misfire moved from cylinder 2 to cylinder 1. So we have diagnosed that the issue is with the coil. If the misfire continued to be on the cylinder 2, then the cause of the misfire will be the spark plug. So the oil leak is right here. As you can see, the engine was running for about 3 to 4 minutes and it started to leak. There was no oil here all around, so I can see where is the leak. I thought it was the gasket here or here, but it was all messed up and the old engine is greasy. As you can see, it went here and is slipping here. It's all messed up. I'm gonna replace this O-ring just to stop it leaking, and I'm waiting for some parts. This gasket, this one, the main valve cover gasket, I have a new cap. As you can see, it is leaking here also. This came just in yesterday, and we got some new coils. I already changed them, and look at these gems. These are first coils in the car. They're branded Bremi. You can see they're melted. These are working ones. The one that gave me trouble was this one, NGK. This was the cause of all the misfiring. And this one, Beru. This one was working also. 3 different brands, so we need to change them. I got myself a Febi valve cover seal. We got oil pump seals, oil cooling radiator seal. So we'll change that as well. This is the seal on the valve cover Valvetronic sensor. We got here some Febi seals for the vacuum pump. And this is a oil cap, yeah, air filter, and that's about it. That will be in the next few shots. First thing first, I've already changed the ignition coils. I went with Delphi. I read some research about the coils. First, BMW went with Bremi. Bosch made new types, but after that Delphi made a better coil. The Delphi was the second best choice, so I got the second best choice. The car is working properly now, no misfiring issues, and I need to do an oil change. We have a filter. When doing oil housing gaskets, I will need to clean my engine block because the O-ring for the oil filter, it made a mess below the intake manifold, so that will be a problem. It's a problem to reach it now, but when the oil filter housing is out, I think I will manage. So we need to address that issue. So for this job you need a professional tool like this one. No, that's not professional. It's OEM BMW. No, it's a ripoff with a K on it. I don't know which brand this is, but it's all I have. It's squeaky. Oh yes. I'm gonna cut myself. Protection. Ide. It's dripping. I'm selling my Volvo. As soon as I sell it, this is going to be my daily driver, and I need it to be reliable. So we're gonna see how good is this engine. I know everybody hates it, but I don't yet. For the oil filter, I'm using Male. Actually, I'm not going to use the filter right now, just the O-ring. Yeah. We have 3 O-rings, so now I only need the big one. First things first, it's drained, so we need to remove this. I think this is a very old one. Yeah, so clean. There are some marks from tools. I hope it's not leaking because of them. So you need to oil this. So take your time and go all around. Put it here, and it needs to go in this bigger slot. That's the slot number 2. And it's going back. This is by hand. It cannot go any more. 25 Newton meters. I really don't have a torque wrench. So this is it. And use this chain cleaner from Lidl. Yes. So as you can see here, it's clean. And now we're gonna start the car to see if it leaks again. It's been now for a few minutes and there is no leaks. That thing is resolved, and I just need to clean everything up. Got my camera. Since it's raining and I don't have the cabin filter housing here installed, I have this. This is a new oil cap. I'm going to remove this one. Oh look, there's no mayonnaise anymore. There was some mayonnaise before I changed this gasket, so the moisture was going in. Look at it now. Brake cleaner W5 from Lidl. This is the new oil cap. It does not have this mechanism, so it's not the same. I'm gonna put this new gasket from here to here, but I'm not gonna do that right now. I'm gonna just put the new. It's good.
That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Next time we're gonna replace the oil filter housing gasket, oil coolant gasket, and some other few things. Till next time, ciao.